Happy New Year, everyone. My name is Yuri Galimidi, and in this short video, I'd like to share with you a science based approach for making your New Year resolution stick. Scientists tell us that willpower alone will not do it. To make our New Year resolution stick, we need a deliberate, methodical approach which will include all the science based ingredients that will increase the probability of making our behavior take hold. I will cover the following topics: the behavior itself, the reward, the cue or trigger that will prompt us executing the behavior, the enabling conditions, the accountability partner, and the habit journal. So let's start with the behavior itself. We have to design in great detail the specific behavior we want to habitualize. For example, if you want to start going to the gym twice a week on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, you will wake up at 5:45, for example, on those days, leave the house at 6:15, be at the gym at 6:30 or 6:45, work until 7:30 or 7:45, then get ready to leave the gym, say by 8 o'clock, and be at work by 8:30 or 9. Or if your desired behavior, for example, is to eliminate the sweets you so love to have after dinner, that could be another example of a goal that you want to achieve. Another one could be to dedicate an hour every Sunday evening from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. to strategizing and planning the week to come. All of those could be some examples of what you might want to achieve during the coming year. Then we have to talk about the reward. We have to figure out what will be your reward from practicing the new behavior. A reward should be meaningful, something that will bring you considerable pleasure and satisfaction. Remember that at our core, we are driven by our desire for pleasure and our fear or dislike for pain or discomfort. So, for example, if you like the feeling you will get from the boost in endorphin that you will experience after an intensive aerobic exercise, that could be a reward from practicing and exercising at the gym. And you should find ways to build your own self-awareness and appreciation of this pleasurable reward. If you want, for example, to lose weight by stopping to eat your sweets after dinner, you will appreciate the sense of feeling lighter and looking healthier and looking better. And you should develop a self-talking narrative that will emphasize these positive emotions that will follow your successful practice of a sweetless dinner. And for example, our third example here, your reward for spending time strategizing and planning on Sunday evening could be the feeling that you are able to direct your own activities and you achieve your desired outcomes in your life and in your career during the coming week. Here also you can develop self-talking narratives that will enhance your appreciation of the results you will plan and implement during your Sunday night planning sessions. Let's talk now about the cue or the trigger that will prompt you to practice the desired behavior. For example, again, if you can set up a wake-up call early in the morning at 5:45 that will wake you up and prepare you for the gym ahead. It is actually preferable to have a human wake-up call, and that will be more effective to help you habitualize the desired behavior. You can also place your gym bag, for example, on the driver's seat of your car the evening before, so it will really be difficult to ignore. In the case of the sweetless dinner, you can set yourself large reminder notes in front of your dinner table that will say something, "No sweets tonight." Similarly, you can set up reminders for your Sunday night planning time that will trigger and cue you to implement your desired behavior. Let's talk now about the enabling conditions. These are conditions that will help you practice your new behavior. For example, you should avoid scheduling early morning meetings at work during those days where you want to go to the gym. And you can choose a gym that is easy to get to in the morning. And if you like group classes, you can join an early morning group class like a spinning class or a Zumba class, which will encourage you to attend. If eliminating the after dinner sweets is your goal, simply stop buying them. Don't even get them into your kitchen pantry. Do your food shopping after eating at home so that you are less tempted to buy the sweets in the first place. If strategizing and planning on Sunday evening is your goal, never invite guests to come over on Sunday nights or schedule your planning session after Sunday night football. Let's talk about your accountability partner. Research shows that implementing your new behavior with the help of an accountability partner will significantly increase the probability of achieving your desired goal. Find someone who shares the same goal with you and agree on specific ways she or he will support you in habitualizing your new behavior. And similarly, agree on ways in which you can support her or him in achieving their goals. For example, you may agree with your accountability partner to make the wake up call in the morning and to drive to the gym together. Or you can agree with your accountability partner to help you in eliminating sweets after dinner. Working with an accountability partner who lives with you, such as your spouse or your roommate, has been shown by scientists to be particularly effective, especially if you share the same goals. And last, let's talk about your habit journal. Scientists found that recording our experiences in writing helps our brain memorize and habitualize our new desired behaviors faster. It should not take more than 5 or 10 minutes every night before you retire for bed. First, you should log whether or not you practiced your desired behavior. Ideally, you should do so in a way that will enable you to look at trends over time. Next, record the emotions that you've experienced during and after your practice. Pay particular attention to the extent to which you experience your desired reward. This will help your brain link the behavior to the reward during the REM or REM phase of our sleep. I hope that this practical approach of making your New Year resolution stick will be helpful for you. If you'd like to further explore how professional coaching can help you design and implement your 2020 goals, please contact me at yuri@thewilltochange.com. And in the meanwhile, have a wonderful and productive year. Take care.